In the grand cosmic theatre, some 4.5 billion years ago, our story begins. The universe was a vibrant dance of creation and destruction, a swirling maelstrom of gas and dust. Amid this cosmic chaos, a dense cloud of interstellar matter began to collapse under its own gravity. This was the first step in the creation of our Earth. As the cloud collapsed, it spun faster and faster, flattening into a disk with a bulge in the center. This disk, teeming with particles of dust and ice, was the birthplace of the Sun and the planets. In the center, the Sun ignited, its heat and light bathing the disk. In this spinning disk of cosmic material, solid particles began to collide and stick together. Over time, these tiny grains grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. As more and more material clung to these planetesimals, they grew bigger and bigger, eventually forming protoplanets. One such protoplanet was Earth. In its early days, Earth was a molten mass, its heat fueled by collisions and the decay of radioactive elements. Over time, the outer layer cooled and solidified, forming a thin crust. But Earth was not yet the blue planet we know today. The transformation of Earth into a life-supporting planet took hundreds of millions of years. Volcanic activity pumped gases into the atmosphere, creating a primitive form of what we know today as air. Water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and fell as rain, filling the basins and forming the oceans. But Earth's transformation was not yet complete. About 4 billion years ago, a planetesimal the size of Mars collided with Earth. This cataclysmic event launched a large amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. And so, from a cloud of cosmic dust and gas, Earth was born. A planet teeming with life, a blue jewel in the vast expanse of space. To recap, the creation of Earth was a process that spanned billions of years. It began with the collapse of a dense cloud of interstellar matter, which formed a spinning disk of dust and gas. Within this disk, solid particles collided and stuck together, forming planetesimals and eventually protoplanets. One of these protoplanets was Earth, which over time transformed into a life-supporting planet with an atmosphere and oceans. A major event in Earth's history was the collision with a large planetesimal, which resulted in the formation of the Moon. Astonishing, isn't it? The creation of Earth is a testament to the power and beauty of the cosmos. It's a story of chaos and order, destruction and creation, a story that reminds us of our humble origins in the dust of stars. And as we stand on this blue planet looking up at the night sky, we are a part of that grand cosmic story.